Hey everybody, how's it going? Just an update. Got my antenna amplifier replaced. Nice little green light, didn't have that before. All because this bad boy, I don't think you can really see it, but the board is fried. This lightning came in a few weeks ago. We didn't actually find it until we went on vacation a couple weeks ago, and the light wasn't working. So we were trying to figure out what was going on. Took a voltmeter and tested it, and found that there was no power going past the amplifier. We found the board was burned up, but it's working good. Get the clear TV now, and I'll attach some pictures of everything. But it's up and running. See y'all next time.